Hello and welcome, dear students. This is me, Asha Nazir, teaching you better English literacy skills for grade 5, and we have completed our lesson number 2. And today we are starting our English B-side work, and the topic is verb. As I'm sure you are very much familiar with this word, what is verb? Look at the definition. A verb is an action or doing word. A verb is an action or doing word. Now, what is an action or doing word? Action and doing word क्या होते हैं? For example, you are writing something with your hands. You are writing something. So you are performing some kind of action. ये कोई activity है. आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं. That's why this is called action word, and every action word is called verb. In Urdu, verb means fail, and the definition is fail जो है वो किसी भी काम के होने या करने को जाहिर करता है, जैसे कि लिखना, पढ़ना, दौड़ना, खाना, उड़ना, पकाना या सुनना. These all are action words. These are called verb. And a sentence is incomplete without verb. किसी भी sentence में अगर verb नहीं है तो वो incomplete है. For example, come here. This sentence contains 2 words but one is verb, so the sentence is complete. Come here, यहाँ आओ. Come is verb. So any action or doing word is called verb. जो भी लफ्ज़ कोई एक्शन या किसी एक्टिविटी को किसी काम के होने को या करने को जाहिर करता है, उसे हम वर्ब कहते हैं. नाउ आई कैन शो यू सम ऑफ द graphic representation of verb. For example, look at here. A boy is sitting on a bike and he is riding. What is he doing? He is riding. वो साइकिल चला रहा है, तो चलाना और riding is called verb. Next is blow. Let me clear it. Okay, blow. She is a girl and she is blowing her chewing gum. So she is performing some action. Now what this boy is doing, he is blowing a balloon. Pulana. Blowing means pulana. So this is some kind of activity. She is blowing a whistle. She has a whistle in her mouth and she is blowing. Next is brush. The girl is performing some action over her hairs, and the word that we use for it is called brush or brushing. She is brushing. And the boy, what is he doing? He is catching something. ये किसी चीज़ को बॉल को पकड़ रहा है. This पकड़ना is an action word or activity, and this is called verb. Chasing. 2 boys are running and one is chasing other. एक दूसरे को पकड़ रहे हैं, एक दूसरे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. This is called chasing, and this action word is called verb. Clap. The little girl is clapping and performing some activity with her hands. So this is called clapping. Next word is the boy is climbing. You can see he is climbing the stairs. Next, the girl is coloring in the book. So she is performing some action with her hands. This is called verb. This woman is coughing. Coughing means khansna. Crawling. The baby is crawling. So this is also called verb. These all are verbs or action words. Or you can see here this boy. Look at him. What is he doing? He is right now running. And this girl, look at her. What is she doing? She is performing some activity. वो कोई काम कर रही है. And this is called, the word that we use for this activity is called reading. And reading is a verb. So these all are some of the examples of the verb. Now, verb can be in any form: first form, second form, third form, as you have also aware of the fourth form with ing. So you can see the examples here. Ali plays football. Ali plays football. plays means खेलता है. Ali plays football. Ali football खेलता है. So this खेलना, this action word is called verb. Next is she read a book. She read a book. उसने किताब पढ़ी. पढ़ना is some kind of activity and this is called verb. Next is they listen to me. वो मुझे सुनते हैं. They listen to me. Listen, सुनना is also a kind of activity and this is called verb. He is working very hard. He is working very hard. वो बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. और ये मेहनत word is called because he is working, he is performing some kind of action. This is called verb. So these all are some of the examples of verb. You have to write down verb on top of your page on English B side. Write down the definition in exact way. Examples, you will have to make your own example. You can choose any of the tense, whether it's present, past or future, but you have to put the verb in a sentence. I have make some of the examples of different kind of verbs. You can take help from here as well. First form and second form. Present for first form, present, and second form means it is in the past. Run, ran, walk, walked, cut, cut. It's the same. Read, read, fly, flew, crawl, crawled, listen, listened, cook, cooked, bake, baked, write, wrote. One thing that you have to remember is that whenever you are using first form of verb in your sentence, जब भी आप अपने सेंटेंस में फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो तब आप देखेंगे कि आपके सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है. इफ़ इट इज़ ही और शी और इट और नेम, अगर आपके सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में ही है या शी है या इट है या कोई नेम है, सिंगल नेम, देन आप फर्स्ट फॉर्म सेंटेंस अगर आप बना रहे हैं, यू विल हैव टू पुट एस विद योर सेंटेंस, विद योर वर्ब. वर्ब के साथ आपने एस लगाना है. एंड इफ़ योर सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज दे, वी और प्लूरल नेम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके सेंटेंस में है जैसे वी हैव रिटन दैट they are working really hard or they work really hard. So work is first form of verb, but I'm using they, so there is no s with they, we or plural names. Plural names means if I say Aisha and Zainab, so these are plural names. So with plural names and they and we use only first form of verb. You can see in the examples, he, she, it, name. He is included here. So with he we put s. He plays cricket. Whenever we are using first form of verb, this rule apply for first form of verb. Ali eats mango. Now Ali is a name and eats, it is a first form of verb and we have mentioned s here. Ali eats mango. But look at here, I have used they in the start of sentence. So they play in the ground. There is no s with play because the start of sentence is they, and we eat bread every day. Look at the verb eat. This is first form of verb and there is no s with eat. Why? Because we are using, our subject is we. As I have mentioned for you that they, we and plural names, there is no s whenever we are using first form. जब भी हम first form of verb sentence बनाते हैं and of course वो present sentences होते हैं, then हमने अपने subject को देखना है. ठीक है? You can see here as I have made, Ali plays, she read. This is a past tense because it's the second form of verb I have used there, and first and second and third form of verb for read is similar. They listen. There is no s because it is they, or he is working. So this is a fourth form of verb. This is not a first form of verb. So this was all about our verb. Now what will you do? There is a homework for you people. You will have to take out your unit number 2. This is unit number 2. I have made the first paragraph for you. What you will do, you will pick verbs from your old lesson. What will you do? You will pick out verb from your lesson. For example, I have made it few for you. All of these animals make their homes in or around the forest. Make, banana, this is verb. The deer is the largest of these. Deer are herbivores. They enjoy leaves. Enjoy. पसंद करते हैं. Enjoy leaves, grass and berries. Not meat. They make a burping sound called a groan. The male is a buck and the female is a doe. The red squirrel is another woodland animal. It is rodent. Rodent have sharp teeth to help them cut open. Cut means काटना. This is action. Open, खोलना. This is also action word. Hard food like nuts. Squirrel gather nuts. Gather means इकट्ठा करना. This is some kind of action. So this is verb. And store. Store means save करना उसे. Store them for winter months. Rats, mice and hamsters are also rodent. I have made the first paragraph for you and you will have to pick out the verbs from the second and third paragraph. This is your homework. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video with lesson number 3. Thank you so much.